So now let's see how we can work around with masking tool inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want to select out the subject. And in that case, I can go around on the right hand side and go to masking tool right here. And over here you can see that subject is an option. So if I were to go around and click on the subject, then what happens is that it selects out the subject by detecting it right here. So you can see that it is detecting out the subject right here, just like this, and it detected out the subject right here. So once it detects it out, you can see that there's different masking controls over here for the selected object. For example, you can go around and select out the exposure right here, and only the exposure of the subject changes, as you can see right here. Similarly, I can change around the contrast and other properties right here for that particular subject, and only that subject changes out, as you can see right here. So there's different details that you can control right here. And that is how you can go around and select out the subject right here, just like this. So that is what you have. So you can see the before and after as well. And that is how you can work around with subject right here. So what you can also do is you can go around onto the masking right here. So you can see that this is what you have. And you can go around and see that you can add a new mask as well. So you can also go around and select out background, or select objects, or select pictures as you want right here, and utilize this. So let's say, for example, if you were to select background, it's selected out the background, and now you can choose this around, as you can see right here, and that is what you have. So you actually added this in right here. So you can go around and select out subject or background right here, as you can see right here, and then work around with it however you want. So I'm just going to go around and move this and so forth. Let me just go around over here and delete all the masks right here, just like this, and select out just the background. And now it selects out the background, as you can see, and you can change around the background amount, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize the auto mask selection option inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.